If you've ever had a stack of PDF bank statements you needed in Excel, this video is for you. We'll go PDF to clean spreadsheet in under 2 minutes. No manual cleanup. Here in DocuClipper, a sample bank statement is open. The PDF is on the left. Every transaction has been extracted on the right. Date, description, debit, credit, and running balance. You can spot check any row against the source. DocuClipper checks every row against the printed running balance. If a transaction is missing or misread, it's flagged before it ever hits your spreadsheet. When the data looks good, click Download Data and pick Excel or CSV. Open the file. 5 clean columns: date, description, debit, credit, balance. From here, 2 clicks build a pivot table that summarizes spend by category. Instant cash flow view. That's the whole flow. Link in the description for a free trial.